Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. I got an online shop on Shopee, one of the biggest online shopping platforms in Vietnam particularly, and Southeast Asia generally. I opened my shop around 1 year now. I sell accessories that I make like hair ties, scrunchies, headbands, and brooches. And now I decided to sell clothes. The first kind of clothes on my shop is pajama, because I love wearing pajama at home. It's really comfortable but still chic and polished. I will share you the whole process that I make my pajama line. Let's go! I'm starting to go to the fabric shop to choose fabric like the pattern, the colors, the texture of fabric. Actually, I had to go to 4 different fabrics to find out the fabric that I want. I want a kind of fabric with cotton and bright color for my first pajama line. I think bright color always make the people who own them will be bright too, and their mood is also better. And finally, I find out a cotton fabric with gingham pattern and 3 bright colors: rose pink, yellow blue, and green white. Here is my outlet and skirt. I will create free size shirt for under 65 kg and 2 size of short, which are medium for 45 to 54 kg and large for 55 to 65 kg. Let's get started with some music while working. I already made the button. Then I just spread the fabric on the floor, place the button on and cut out. I'm going to work one by one. I'm gonna cutting and finishing one color, then I will work with the next one. Actually, I spent a lot of time to finish them, but I'm happy to work and enjoy the whole process. Here are my brand name: HT3 by Annie. By Annie, HT3 by Annie. Now I will stitching them on the shirt. And here is the other kind of my brand name. I will compile this with a side tag and stitching on the short. When finished all of them, I will attach my brand tag on both shirt and short. And last step is taking the pictures. I'm really happy with the result turnout. It's really comfortable, really pleasant, really easy to move up and down. I think when you're wearing this pajama will help you create a better mood, a better atmosphere to do everything, especially a quality of the upcoming day. My pajama is for sale now on Shopee, and you also can check out another product. Don't forget to like, subscribe for my channel, and see you next day. Bye!